I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Well, hello there, and welcome back to another exciting edition of Kip Does Stuff. Today we're going to go over my newest toy, which is a arcade game called Fun-E-Ball. So Fun-E-Ball is from Fun Industries, as it says on the side here. Fun Industries is in East Moline, Illinois. That's exactly where I picked this up at, East Moline, Illinois. Not from the company though. It's model FB97. There's two models, a Plus Series and then the regular. This is the regular one. Weighs 200 pounds. It's 6 feet tall, which is 72 inches. It's 21 inches wide and 24 inches deep. On the top here, it's got prizes. Right now, there are little capsules in there with rings and tattoos and stuff like that in it. There's supposed to be a problem with this one. It doesn't want to play after the first round. It goes once and then stops running. That's fine. We'll take care of that later. Okay, I got this set of keys with it, and on this tag it says Fun Industries $499.99. So apparently this machine sold for $500 when it was picked up. Whenever, I'm going to try to track down the day it was sold if I can. Since they're so close to me, they might have the information to give it to me. It comes with 3 keys. I found the use for 2. 2 of them, one fits into this coin slot here, or it opens up the coin slot. It accepts quarters and dollars. I don't know if they work yet. I haven't plugged it in. We'll find out. And then you gotta have the down below. If you flip it upside down or something, I forget. There we go. There's a little basket down here for catching all the change in dollars. Pretty simple. Then on the top, up here, there's another thing for a key. Put the key in here. I haven't gotten to work yet. There's 2 other keys, and it'll let me open the top of the machine and put in new prizes or change out that cog. And on the back, there are 2 doors. One, this key fits in, and that's where all the mechanics and such are, and the board that runs it. And then one of the other 2 keys goes down here, and there's another panel. Just taking this off, and inside here, let's see, we got a Cool Pops frozen treat box, a bag of goodies. Bag of goodies are the leveling feet that weren't on it, but I'm going to put on it because it needs leveling feet. Okay, so let's turn this thing on and see if it works. Okay, we got a switch on the back here. We're going to turn it on. It may get noisy. I don't know how the settings are. Okay, it's turned on. Come around to the front. The coin lights are lit up. There are some lights on the machine that are lit up. They're not as easy to see as you'd think, but the prize light is lit up and it's looking good. I happen to have 2 quarters on my desk, and it takes 50 cents to run the machine, so what are you doing? Try to get the quarters in it. I don't know how. Okay, I think it's working now. So the thing is stirring. Oh, 2 balls have come out. So, and we get the oh, sorry about that. It looks like it's we can get it. Looks like the elevator's having trouble going up and down. I'm going to have to figure out what's wrong with that. But I can put it in the elevator. Let's go like that and get rid of that one. Okay, and we got a second one up there. Whoops, and it fell out too. But the idea is to get it to come down into here, then to roll down around and across and into this bonus wheel. And if it gets into the bonus wheel, a second ball will release and fall out. But it hasn't, so it looks like this thing is supposed to move back and forth too. So I'm going to look at this, this. And they said there's a problem with it. It won't run a second time. So I'm going to try to put the quarters through it again and see if it'll start back up. 1, 2, nothing. Takes all the, well, there's a whole crap load of prizes down here in the prize slot. So, not seeming to run. I'll try it one more time with all the prizes out of the prize slot. See if it'll go. And it won't. So there's a chance that there's a sensor inside here that senses when the prize falls into it, and that lets the game in. So I'll check that sensor and see if it's bad or needs adjusted. Okay, I've turned the machine off and on again. I'm going to try to put a couple more quarters through it and see if it'll work.
Hi, I'm Funny Ball. Can you help me get through this maze?
Working on one ball. So, a 1/4. So we got one. Try to get it on top of that elevator. Oop, didn't work. Come on, you little ball. Roll. The other one will roll. Okay, we got it. Oh, we almost got it. Okay, oh, we almost got it. And it's in the bonus wheel. And it fell. There's our ball. And it didn't give me a bonus ball like it should have. Okay, there's the funny ball game. It seems to be working okay, except for it needs something to figure out what's wrong with one of the sensors so it'll start again. This elevator is having a little trouble going up and down. That shouldn't be too hard to fix. This piece is moving, so we're fine there. In the back, we've got this area here where the prize falls into, and right here is the sensor that senses the prize is falling and it's supposed to reset it. Something's wrong with that, I think, so we'll get that taken care of. First, I'm going to give it a big, nice cleanup, and then I'll check everything one step at a time, but that's another video. Thanks for watching.